So right now we're checking this right here. So when your heat pump comes on, what it does is it sends 24 volts to this wire here. Okay, and from there it jumps over to that one there on that Y. So there's Y going in and Y coming out. Right now what was happening is this contactor is not engaging. Okay, now if you look here, this one is going to be a ground / common wire. All right, and so is this one. And where this comes from is from the common terminal right there, C. Okay, so that wire. This is for your reversing valve. All right, this is the common for your reversing valve. And then that O right there, you have O going in, O coming out. That's the 24 volts to switch it over into cooling. At this point, we have, put this right here a little bit easier. Let's find a good common. Okay. So there's Y. There's that. There's my common. Okay. Now we have to make sure that once it goes in the board, it comes out of the board. So we're gonna reach back there on that Y. In which we're on the Y. It comes out. Now from what that does, I pulled this wire off of there. Okay. Now what this wire is for the pressure switch. With those yellow wires down there. Okay. Now, see, so it goes here to T1. The way this should run is this goes into Y, and this one comes out of T1. Okay, that means it sends it through there, through that pressure switch, and back to T1, which from there it goes to T2. Okay, but our issue was we're not having voltage go from Y back to T1. We're gonna see, using continuity, that beep right there says it's a closed circuit. Okay, right now it's probably about 33 degrees outside, and this switch, I'm gonna pop my wires on, or my leads on. Okay, is open, and it's not allowing that 24 volts to come out, back, and then go to T2 to turn on the heat pump. So what we're going to do for the time being, since it's late, is remove this T2, if I can, without throwing out this board. Remove that T2, and move it down on that wire. That's the sound of beautiful right there. What that did was turn on my condenser in heat pump mode. So tomorrow we'll find this pressure switch and get it changed out. Everything's looking good right now. I just have to go inside and check a couple things.